What's going on, everybody? My name is Ben. Welcome to the official 2018 channel recap video. I did one of these last year, and I thought I would do one again this year, so let's dive on in. Now this year, 2018, has been an amazing year. I actually gained about 270 subscribers over the course of this year. So now I'm at about 830. That is absolutely mind-boggling for me. I had no idea I'd ever reach that high. That's amazing. So to each and every one of my subscribers, thank you so much. It really means a lot to me to have my subscribers come in, drop a comment, enjoy my videos, and just be a part of the whole exciting adventure that is model building. All of my subscribers, thank you so much for everything you guys do. I really appreciate it. Also, this has been one of the most prolific years here on the bench. I actually finished 8 builds. Now, that might not seem like a lot to some of you builders out there, but for me, that's a lot. I mean, honestly, I think I haven't built 8 models in a year since I was a kid, but I actually completed 8 models. 5 of those were all part of group builds. I participated in the 50th anniversary of the Hawker Harrier group build. I did the Twin Brit group build, the Chevy Truck Month group build. I did the Bomber Command Buddy build, and I did the Great War group build. So honestly, that was so much fun. I had my very first experience building a truck, in 1/24 scale. I had my very first 1/72 scale British bomber, my very first World War I aircraft, my very first experience with rigging. I built my first Airfix kit this year. So this has been a year of a lot of firsts for me. And honestly, I couldn't have asked for a better group of people to build with. I also was able to meet a lot of new friends. So my hat goes off to each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you so much for everything you guys do here on my channel and all the support and all the kind words that you leave for me. That really means a lot. So from all of us here at Ben Builds to all of my subs out there, be safe, have fun, enjoy the last bit of 2018, and we'll see you back here in 2019. Thank you so much, guys, for everything. We'll see you next year.